YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. All right, yo, it's been a minute, but I'm back here at the graffiti block. And as you can see, we got some new graffiti up on the wall, man. I'm hyped. This is Boone Ave, y'all already know. It's rare that I go to the other side, but the other side also has graffiti too. Matter of fact, yeah, I might as well drive down there, see what's up. Now, I do like this joint. This gives me like some De La Soul vibes right here, for real. Hell yeah. Yeah, if you've been following this channel, you already know, man, this is my favorite block right here in the Bronx. I do love graffiti. Anytime I see a great mural, I'm always like, yo, pull over. Even when I was down in DR and saw that one joint, but yeah, this was already here. This and this. Now I can see those being kind of difficult. All right, what we got right here? Boom. Boom, that walls. Okay, this is new right here. Okay, Masters of the Universe, TNT crew. Damn. Hell yeah. So I'm walking up this block trying to see which one, where I want to take a flick at. And then the trucks, I like how the trucks be getting tagged up too. That's pretty dope. Hell yeah, every time I go shopping, I got to come to this block right here. Cause I'm damn sure gonna be able to get a on foot. They go, oh, spy versus spy. Boom. I kind of got a whip in the way, but let's see. Try to get good view. You got Snoopy up there. Droopy. Okay. Hey yo, I ain't never get my stickers either. You ain't never sent me them stickers, and I damn sure want. Ooh! Oh yeah, I like this joint. Oh yeah. I had to take a picture of this for my son. That joint is dope. What I also like to do with these murals is I like to get a wide angle, and I use it for like the backdrop if I use my green screen. Yeah, I like this joint right here. Damn, I left my phone in the car, but it's all good. That joint is nice. Hell yeah. Yo, I hate when a car park. Well, not really, because then I just use that door handle. I'm gonna put y'all on game. I told you how I'll be taking my photos, right? I put the phone in the door handle, 10 seconds. Or sometimes I just put it on video if I just want to get a screenshot of it. That's really nice. Oh yeah, this joint cool right here. I damn near want to move that damn trash out the way. Yeah, there we go. Like I said, we're gonna go over there in a second. Let me I gotta find a spot to do it on foot though. So now we're one block over. This is still Boone Ave, but over there, that's my favorite. That's my favorite block. This is actually like I said, across the street. I rarely come over here that much. But one thing that I do like on this block, the sun ain't out there like messing up any like your shots or anything. But yeah. That's old right here. And we remember this one. This is an old one too. I saw a dope mural though right around the corner. Check that out. All right, this is right around the corner. I like this joint right here. I love this joint. Hell yeah. I wish I could get a good flick right here.
Cash fruit.
Word up. Check this old fly shit out. Imagine shorties shouldn't be so rough. Nigga, respect my a nigga to check notch. Bow, boo from the gate now.
Right, for my light goes out on me. 400 likes, if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. Since we're on the topic of colors, hence the graffiti, let's talk about these Jordan 3s that's supposed to drop. The Jordan 3 J Balvin collab. You know I don't like really doing. Hey, do you like the Jordan? But anyway, yeah, nah, I actually did want to discuss, and I'm gonna get into what I really want to discuss about them joints. But yeah, y'all going after these joints. Price point $250. Drop on the 23rd. Off gate, they look like a damn summer sneak to me. I'm actually looking at these joints right now. They do look like a real summery vacay sneak. Wintertime, I don't know. But yeah, they straight. Does look like it's coming with a different box though. That's pretty dope. Translucent sole. I do like the heel tab though. The heel tab dope. That's a nice touch. Pause if you have to on the touch. But yeah, that is pretty cool. It's a nice sneak though. I ain't gonna front. Quality definitely looks pretty good from here. I do like when the Jordan, like the 4s and the 3s, have the little seams at the top where you can see the actual leather protruding after the seams. Yeah. What I really wanted to hear though is, and I doubt I will, but I have been looking at some of the IG reels. I really wanted to hear somebody like that, you know, ain't really talking about J Balvin, you know what I'm saying, that never really listen to J Balvin, like try to describe like, yeah, you know the Balvs, you know the Balv movement. The Balv movement. Yeah, that's what I was really waiting for. But you know what the funny thing is? My claim to fame is, y'all know I do my on foot, and this has like been like damn near forever. I do my on foot to La Occasion, the remix. Balvin on there, but I don't really, you know what I'm saying, but I peeped that like a few months back. I was like, oh shit. So I've been on, you know what I'm saying, that Balvin with, you know what I'm saying, nah. But they usually do play it in DR. Though they definitely do. But yeah, man, let me know, man. Y'all going after these joints? So maybe for me, but I'll possibly go after these for Lil Wave. This would be a summer sneak for me. Definitely be a summer sneak. Me, Lil Wave, yes. Me, I don't know. I don't know. I ain't gonna front though. The hang tag, the heel tab, the multicolor going around the midsole, does look pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? And the heel tab at that. I like 3s. 3s are not my favorite. You already know it's all about them 6s. Pause if you have to on the 6. But yeah. But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. What's next up? Oh, I got a sneaker rotation where I'm gonna announce the winner from the DR vid, from the first DR vid. Everybody that entered.
Pause.
I got my final DR vid. Then after that, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Possibly do something this weekend. But anyway, man, before I lose my light, about to get up out of here. Y'all ready? Shout out to the Wave Mob. Everybody that's been liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter be. Liar! That Snups. It's your boy Wavy, you already know. This is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Shout out to Fordham. See you when I see you.